Hi everybody, Karl reporting to you for airplanehunters.org and Halifax 57 Rescue, and we're here at Fort Knox with Scott Knox and at the rebuild shop. So we're going to give you a little rundown today. I came all the way from Alberta to the rebuild shop in Ontario because I have to compare this wartime configuration blade to this post-war blade of modifying Halifax to Bristol freighter aircraft blades. This is a Halifax propeller blade made with a 3D computerized printer. So and this is the first two sections of the propeller glued together. You can see this is an exact replica of a Halifax propeller made with a computer. And that is original equipment for the Halifax propeller on the end. So what we're doing is this becomes our workpiece. This is where we work with this. Can you imagine lifting an 80-pound propeller or lifting one of these which weighs 10 pounds? So this is our practice propeller. Here's the brand new propellers in the crate that Scott found or got at the auction. And down here, this is the most important part of the propeller, is this end and this end. We're going to convert one propeller to take these pieces here. So you got to come and look at this. This is an engineering solution, a real problem for the Halifax to run its engines and propeller. And here's the business end. That's where the trouble is. This is the original type Halifax butt end of the propeller, and there's the wartime fixtures for the end of the propeller to turn the variable pitch while the airplane is running. And this is a post-war Bristol freighter blade, brand new. And what we want to do is convert this propeller to this end on this propeller. Then we can insert that onto the engine of the Halifax and we can run our propellers. So we have plan A, we have plan B to modify and make this propeller run on the engine. So that's the drawings for re-engineering the propellers of the Halifax bomber. This is a special custom piece for the propeller. Scott, why don't you go ahead and give us a rundown on what you've been doing the last little while, now that you're getting totally up to speed again.
Thanks for your help today. Drilling those holes, very precise work. Excellent, well done. Yeah, so we're just progressing the project, putting the stiffeners in now, riveting them into place. Now it's a drawn out, fairly long process, but making good progress.
I'm pleased with the progress. I believe that we've got a solution to completely redo 12 propeller blades for 4 running engines on a Halifax. It's going to cost north of $120,000. So we're trying to find an engineering solution that works here. And so I'm pleased with what we've been able to do today here at the rebuild shop. And now we're moving on to the more tedious task of all the riveting and stuff that Scott and his team are doing here. One last thing I would tell you about is the main landing gear for the Lancaster is being converted. Wheels, tires, and brakes. And some of the parts from the Handley Page Hastings and Halifax landing gear can actually be used on the Lancaster. And I don't know whether you can see it, but we have scrounged 4 of those bolts out of the Hastings landing gear because the Lanc boys need it to finish their job. And folks, those are British bolts, and let's not get into that because I might get a little torqued, but those bolts are very vital to the final cinching of the brake drums for the Lancaster landing gear. So I feel that we've made good progress this weekend. It's one of those things. It's the end of winter. We've got through a lot of tedious stuff, and now we're moving on to the springtime. So, Scott, thanks for entertaining me here, and we're able to get a few things done, and let's keep rolling.
You're always welcome. See you next time.
Okay, see ya. And we'll see you soon.